Once a component is added, the Jobs tab becomes available next to the Components tab. Icons are organized from left to right by process. Jobs include machining processes such as machining types. Click Create Job. The name field is editable for customization, helpful when more than one job is required for machining a part. Click Bodies to expand the group box. Select the component that needs to be machined. A bounding box is automatically created around the part. This bounding box is the automatic stock definition. This stock model can be customized or changed. Switch to the Stock tab. In the General Group box, select a stock type and stock direction type from the drop-downs. Additional inputs appear below based on the options chosen. The box and cylinder stock types add a dimensions group box to define the size and offsets. The user-defined stock type adds a stock group box to select a body in the graphics area. If the stock component is not shown in the graphics area, check the box to the left in the Components section to show it. All stock direction types other than World add selections to define the appropriate axes. By default, the associated axis is already input for each direction. Change it by clicking on another axis of the triad or select an edge or face in the graphics area. Toggle the reverse arrow to change directions. Click OK to accept the job. Click the ellipsis to open the Job context menu to edit, suppress, or delete. Click the Show Hide Job Stock icon to toggle visibility in the graphics area. If you have multiple jobs, click the radio button to the left of the name to make it active. Use the arrow to the left to collapse or expand the entire job.